Hi, so this is my new vibrating tumbler that I've just made. I've spent the past couple of weeks on it, you know, whenever I got time to make it. All parts are from the scrapyard again. That there is just it's just to put the box on where I put the electrics, but you'll see that in a minute anyway. So the actual table is this one here. Okay, this time I've used a washing machine motor. Okay, so like I said, all parts are from the scrapyard except for the plywood. That's why I needed that anyway separately. But everything is from the scrapyard, except for a couple of electrical parts for the wiring and stuff. But yeah. Okay, what I've done here, the motor for the washing machine motor is an AC motor originally. So what I've done here, I've wired it. Okay, here's my box. Okay, you've got the transformer here, and from the transformer to the rectifier goes from AC to DC, and then it goes to the speed control module or unit. On this unit, it's actually got a speed on it as well. You can see the digital. You'll see it in a minute anyway. And here's the switch. I've left out here to just turn it to go fast and slow. Right now it's already on. It's just on the slow, so right now it's not spinning. You can see it. An example is, I'll just quickly put it on so you can see it. Watch it turn when I turn this. Let me just turn it off for now, so I'll just quickly explain everything else. So while that was turning as well, you can see the speed on here as well. So I'll turn it again. 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, it goes into the 20s and then yeah. Okay, so what I want to clean today is this. It's just an aluminium pulley sort of thing. It's all oxidized. And I'll be using glass bead. It's like a glass powder sort of thing, but glass bead to clean it. Okay, so what I'm going to do, let me switch it on first. It might be a bit noisy. I might have to do a couple of other things. I might have to put a few rubber underneath each leg, because right now this floor is not 100% level, so it might rattle a bit. So just to let you know. Okay, so I'm going to move this out of the way first. I'll put this straight in right now. Okay, so I'm going to start it up. So I'm going to leave it for about half an hour, and I'll come back and see the result after half an hour. Yeah, just a quick one. I ended up putting rubber underneath each leg. As you can see now, it's not noisy as noisy as it was. So yeah. So what I'll do, I'll leave it for half an hour and see, and I'll come back after half an hour. Okay, it's been about 1 hour now. Quite clean after 1 hour. Obviously, because it's aluminium, the longer you leave it, the better it will get. But it's done much better. It's much better than what it was. But with aluminium, you need at least a few hours to really get in. But it's cleaned quite a lot. But what I'm going to do, I haven't got too much time to keep leaving this in for so many hours. But it's done well anyway. I'm going to put some steel, rusty steel now, for an hour or so. And then, so just so you can see the results of steel, I'll just put that like rusty bolts, nuts, screws and things like that. So I'm going to do that in a minute, I'm going to put them in and then I'll show you the result. But this is really well, this is doing really well, this machine is. Okay, so now I'm going to put these rusty bolts and nuts and screws into it, just so you can see the result. I'm only going to leave it for an hour and see what happens. So I'm going to leave it for an hour this time, in one go, just one. I'll come back after an hour, so you can see the difference after an hour.